It's May 2022. This month we have Chrome OS 101. Now you remember that Google is committed now to having a new version of Chrome OS each month, which is going to match the Chrome browser that we see in PCs. But with the Chrome OS, the browser is built into the operating system, so we have to change and update the operating system for each new version of Chrome that comes out. All this means that each month we're going to have a new version. And some months there's not going to be much change. A lot of behind the scenes stuff happening, but not a lot of feature stuff that I can show you. And today is that month. Well, it's Ron Brown with Tech for Senior. This must be the fourth Thursday of the month. Yes, it is. It is our Learning Chromebook series. Each month, Huey Poplick and I put on a Learning Chromebook 1-hour seminar for you. It's free. You can register at www.techforsenior.com or the bit.ly address seen on the screen. We've been doing this for a couple of years, and each month I talk about a different version of Chrome operating system. There is only one item that has changed, or I want to show you in version 101, and I'm going to do that after we just review how to manually update your Chrome operating system. Now, this is not necessary, as your Chromebook will automatically update. However, it does that when you turn it off and turn it on. So if you just close the lid and put it to sleep, it won't update. So you can do this manually, and I just want to review so everybody understands how to do this. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you the change that has occurred in Chrome 101. All right, you see my cursor here, and we're going to come down. Let's come down to the right side, bottom right corner, right down here. We're going to click on the shelf, and what pops up here is we're going to come up to settings. Do you see up here where it says settings? We're going to click this, and this pops up into the settings menu. Now we're going to come all the way over to the left side, and it's going to tell us about the Chrome operating system. So let's click this, and here is where it's going to tell us what version we're using. So this is version 100.0.4896.133. Anyway, this is the official build. And we're going to come over to the right now, and we're going to check for updates. So let's check and see if I have any updates. This is where we are manually checking. Now, you don't have to do this. Remember, this is all going to be done in the background for you with those secondary copies. The copy you're not using, it's going to do this all automatically behind the scenes for you. But I want to know right now if this is the latest copy. So what we're going to do is we're going to click this button, and this, of course, goes right out over the internet and checks and says your Chromebook is up to date. Well, I know that because I just updated it this morning. So it is up to date. Now, if it isn't up to date, what will happen is there will be a little button at the side here, and it will be downloading your new copy. But you don't have to wait for that. You can go and you completely use your Chromebook, and it will ultimately, a little notification will come up saying, do you want to restart your computer? And you can certainly do that anytime you want, or at the end of the day you can power off and power it back on, and that will of course update it for you. All right, let's have a look at the changes that have occurred in Chrome OS 101. We're going to come up to settings. Let's click the settings button, and we're going to come to about Chrome OS. Click that, and now let's come down the list here, and you'll see firmware updates. This is the change that has occurred. Let's click this and see what happens. It tells us firmware updates for external drives. All firmware updates are up to date. I don't have anything plugged in as an external device, but if you did, it would check and make sure that the software is up to date. Well, that's it for Chrome OS 101. It's Ron Brown with Tech for Senior. Chrome OS 101, the changes. We'll see you next month when we'll have Chrome OS 102 and see what changes are occur. Remember, if you like this video, please do the like, subscribe, and if you click the notification bell, we'll notify you when we've made a new video. Till next month, have a great time.